Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the REKT token. Yes, this is a free token that you can claim if you have been participating in the Arbitrum Airdrop. So, like you know, in my videos we are going to cover a little bit about what is this token called REKT and how you can claim your tokens. And of course, I'm going to give you exactly the website, the token contract, how can you check that this contract is not malicious or spam. So we are going to do that also. And you are able to trade this. You can trade in Uniswap, and I will tell you a couple of security stuff that you can do in order to be safe. Like we know, there are a lot of scams around, but we already did this 3 days ago with the ARBDOGE token. Like you remember, I covered the ARBDOGE free claim for all the Arbitrum Airdrop Recipients. So you can do the same now with this REKT token that is actually pumped at the time of this video. So don't miss any time. Check this video, go to my post. In the description you have the link to my post where you are going to see all these steps. And in the description you have the link also to claim your REKT tokens. So don't wait any time, so you can claim it and you can sell it if you want, or you can wait till a couple of days and see what happened with this pump before you sell them. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Guys, this is REKT token, and like I said before, you can go into the website and you can claim it free if you have been participating in the Arbitrum airdrop. This is running on Arbitrum, so you are going to be able to get these free tokens that has a value at this moment. So you can claim it and sell it, or claim it and wait for more pump. Like you know, and I already mentioned, I covered AirDoge a couple of days ago. This was all because in my Discord channel we are covering all these meme pumps. We also covered Pepe there. We did a couple of exits with ARBDOGE actually since we claim it. We discussed about Shiba AI. So many things are happening in my Discord regarding meme coins at this moment because there was a lot of pump about that. Besides that, we covered in my subscriptions, like you know, many other things on my Discord related to airdrops. I am mostly focused on airdrops on my channel, and because of that I created an application. This app is going to help you to organize and to apply easily to all my airdrops, and also you can create custom airdrops. So it's not attached to my website or to my application or to my YouTube. You can create your own airdrops here that you are doing from another sources. So these are great subscriptions to check, very cheap right now, probably going to increase the prices on the next month of May, because I want to keep it simple and not to thousands of people. I just want to keep managing this high quality data that we have around airdrops and around gems that could pump a lot. So guys, this REKT token, you can claim it free like I say, and it's a reactionary project that is created to rectify your portfolio. Let's REKT together on Arbitrum. Yeah, we don't have any value on these guys. It's just a pump and dump coin for me, at least at the moment that I am doing this video. So to claim your REKT tokens, go here into the post or description, click the first link. You are going to be redirected here. And of course, you need to connect your wallet. This is the difficult part with all these kind of things, because there are a lot of scam, a lot of reg pull. I already did this with another airdrop wallet that I use, and right now are safe. So I will explain you how you can check if this is legit or not. But let's start taking the tokens and then we move to that part. Connect your wallet. I am using MetaMask right now, and I am connected on Arbitrum. Once you connect with Arbitrum, you can see here that you can claim airdrop. Click there. You need to pay a transaction fee and successfully claim. So now you are not going to see your tokens here when you go to the tokens list on MetaMask. We need to add the contracts in order to see the tokens. So let's do that. Here on the step 2, I have the contract address that you need to copy. So copy that, go again to MetaMask on the asset section, click on imports, paste the contract there, and you are going to see that it's automatically put in REKT. So click add custom tokens, and you can see the balance that I already have 211 million tokens. This is related to the amount of Arbitrum that you received in the wallet. So click on import tokens, And now you can see your tokens there. You can send it, you can swap, you can do whatever you want with your tokens. Right now are in your wallet. In the case of ARBDOGE, the other time you will be able to stake them. Right now you cannot stake them here, at least there's not the option yet. I'm not sure. This is very similar to the ARBDOGE page too, so maybe it's the same people that is doing this meme coin. I'm not really sure. And again, this could be easily a scam project, but at this moment we are not putting any money, we are not buying anything, so we just claim it. So we have those tokens, and now you can see on step 4 that you can go to Uniswap, and you can see that if you put the contract address there, but if you use my link, you're going to be directly with the REKT token. You can see that you can select any other tokens and you can swap if you want. Right now, if you sell this is $5.50, so it's very little, but again, if you use it multiple wallets like I did, you may have like $100 here. But anyways, this is a very good moment to maybe wait and see if this continue pumping. But in any case, it's free money. At least be sure that what you pay for the fee on claiming and selling is less than the amount that you are getting for this. Also, we can check here on Go Plus Labs. In this link, I'm going to check the contract address. So basically what you do is you can copy the contract address of the token. You go to this website, we copy here and paste it. We select here Arbitrum and we click on check. And this is going to check the contract addresses of the smart contract. So you can see this is a REKT token, the token symbol, token addresses, the top holders here. You can see that one person has 81.5 trillion, so it's almost the 20% of the total amount. So this could be easily dumped after this pump for this person. So be sure that this is going to be dumped at some point, guys. There's not functionality, but at least there's no honeypot risk. So there are no risk on this contract according to this website security standards. So now that we have your tokens and we already check at least that the contract is safe, anyways, I'm going to show you another tool, and that tool is Revoke Cash. Sometimes you need to understand that sometimes you go allowance to the sites when you sign with your wallet the access to use all your tokens on your wallet. If you do that, you may be giving unlimited access to many other sites. For example, here I am on Arbitrum, and in this specific wallet, my allowance is unlimited to OpenSea. This was for the AI Floki OG collection that I minted, but this is already from the 19th of April. And if I don't revoke this, the site can enter to my wallet and use my assets. So I'm going to click here on revoke. This is going to pump a transaction that you need to do to revoke this permission. And you can see transaction submitted, and now there's no allowances here. If I go to OpenSea and try to sell NFTs or anything else, it's going to be again, I need to give the grant to allowance on that. So remember to use Revoke Cash on all your networks and all your steps. For the time of this REKT video, they didn't require authorization to your wallet to use your phones. So in that case, we are safe. So the only thing that we need to do is just disconnect from my MetaMask. So here on the three dots, you can to connected sites, and you can see I am connected to many sites right now. I will disconnect to REKT ARB. So click on disconnect, and I am going to disconnect to all the other sites too. I don't have allowances open to any of these, but again, we need to disconnect each time that we use something. It's not safe to be connected here, and it's not safe to leave the allowance on any site for a long time. So now we are safe, we claim the tokens, even if this is scam right now, we are protected. And that is why you get your REKT tokens and you are free of scams or being rug pulled from your wallet. In any case, guys, REKT has already almost 20k followers right now, and they are moving into be listed on exchanges. So it could be a little more pump on this. Yeah, maybe yes. We really don't know, but these are free tokens, at least at this moment are safe. So with that, guys, you already have these 5 steps to claim your tokens and how to check that you are secure. Go and check my ARBDOGE video. I'm not sure if you still can get the tokens or it's already closed, but at least you can get the tokens for REKT token And remember my subscription to my Discord and to my app. Very valuable information on my Discord. I keep the high level of data there. So if you are new into the crypto space or airdrops, you can join there. We have our newbie section where you can ask everything. And me and moderators are going to help you to get into this world. So my Discord is for a high level people that knows a lot, and for newbies also, you're welcome. Everyone has been newbie into something, so we respect that. Guys, that is all for this REKT claim free tokens for Arbitrum. I'm going to continue covering this free stuff when I see that at least have a little of potential for some exits. And of course, I am mostly dedicated to airdrop videos, so stay tuned to my next video of an airdrop. Before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and remember that I covered already many important airdrops like Engine, I cover Linea, I also covered a full guide, the ultimate guide for Zksync, and also for Vechain and for Layer 0. So many airdrops videos, you are going to find it at cryptocurrencystate.net. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.